people are going to be running.
Oh, I know. I'm with you in spirit. I tell you, look, I've got my trainers on, but that's about all the running I'm going to be doing today. Perfect weather conditions, actually, for the Great North Run. Not too cold. There is some rain around, though, for some of the events taking place this weekend. There's plenty going on this weekend. But as you can see, cloudy, just a light breeze for the Great North Run. We've got some rain expected in Goodwood and for the Tour of Britain on Sunday. Even for Festival, we could see some rain around, and that actually is an indication of the weekend's weather story. A little bit of everything being thrown at us over the next 48 hours. This has been the story through the night, actually, with some heavy rain spreading its way north and east. Behind it, something a little brighter already starting to just show its hand, but the satellite picture shows where the breaks are. This is our frontal system still bringing the rain. So if you've got a little bit of drizzly rain around, and by that I mean really across parts of eastern England down into that southeast corner, conditions will improve and we'll see some brightness, some sunshine into the afternoon. Just a risk with that southwesterly breeze of a few isolated showers across Wales and the southwest. Further north, it's a different story, I'm afraid, through the day. Perhaps the worst of the weather today likely across Northern Ireland. Now, brief lull this morning for a time before the next batch of very heavy rain comes in, and the rain continues to push its way northwards into Scotland. So slowly but surely improving close to the borders and into the north of England. The winds are quite a feature where that rain persists, and it'll feel disappointing, 14 or 15 degrees. Elsewhere with the sunshine, not as warm as the last few days, but high teens, maybe up as high as 20 or 21. That's 70 Fahrenheit. Low pressure knocking on the door through the Atlantic for Sunday, but on the whole we start off dry and we should see some sunshine, particularly sheltered eastern areas. That's where the best of the sunshine will lie. The risk of a few sharper showers just lingering across West Coast, and by the end of the day more heavy and persistent rain arrives and strengthening winds as well. So it does look as though we could see some heavy rain by the end of the day across southern England. 14 to 18 degrees our overall high. It does look as though that unsettled spell of weather set to stay with us into next week. It stays pretty wet and windy, more of an autumnal flavour. I'll be back in half an hour for one last look.
Louise, thank you. Fancy you wearing trainers.
Shh, it's a Saturday morning secret, Charlie.
Yeah, it's out
Not
there
running
now.
on this shift, I tell you.
Louise, thanks very much.